Hi, my name is Michael Burgess and I'm an attorney. I wanted to take a brief moment to explain one particular way a workers' compensation case can settle. I get a lot of questions about this. Generally, workers' compensation settle in one of two ways, either what's called a stipulation and award or a compromise and release. This video is going to focus on a stipulation and award. Under a stipulation and award, essentially what the parties are doing is they're indicating on paper, a contract, what body parts or industrial injuries occurred. They're stipulating under contract what the disability is, what that disability qualifies the employee for in regards to compensation, and it also potentially locks in future medical, meaning an open future medical award. So essentially, what happens is, depending on the level of permanent disability, the greater the permanent disability is, the greater the overall compensation. Under a stipulation, the monetary payments are not paid in a lump sum. They're paid over time. And depending upon the date of injury and your earnings, it can vary from around $200 to $290 per week based upon permanent disability. The greater the disability is, the longer the duration of those payments you receive. Now, under a stipulations and award, once that disability is paid out, your case isn't over and done. You still have lifetime future medical for the body parts that are under the stipulation and award. Now, similar to a stipulation and award is what's called a findings and award. And this is when the parties can't agree or can't stipulate to what your injuries are, what your disability is, and what your future medical is. And that's when you proceed to trial. And when you get a findings and award, a judge is indicating what your findings and awards are. Essentially, what your injuries are, what your disability is, and what your future medical award is, okay? So if you have any questions, it's very, very complicated. Feel free to give us a call. We have the answers. Understand, and I get a lot of questions on this is wage and hour issues. And I wanted to go over a typical violation of improper overtime payment. So let me